Project integration management is one of the knowledge areas in the PMBOK and is defined as the process of coordinating all aspects of a project, including planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, and closing to achieve the project's objectives. It involves the management of all the processes that are needed to ensure that the project is completed on time, within budget, and to the satisfaction of the stakeholders. The primary goal of project integration management is to ensure that all elements of the project are integrated and aligned in a cohesive manner. This includes activities such as developing the project charter, creating the project management plan, and managing the project scope, schedule, budget, and quality. Project integration management consists of several key processes. Let's briefly discuss what they are and how are they relevant. Develop project charter. This process involves creating a document that formally authorizes the project and provides a high-level view of the project's objectives, stakeholders, and deliverables. Develop project management plan. This process involves creating a detailed plan that outlines how a project will be executed, monitored, and controlled. Direct and manage project work. This process involves leading and coordinating the project team to execute the project plan and complete the project deliverables. Monitor and control project work. This process involves tracking the project's progress, managing any issues or risks that arise, and making any necessary adjustments to the project plan. Perform integrated change control. This process involves managing changes to the project plan, ensuring that they are made in a controlled and consistent manner. An important aspect of project integration management is communication and coordination. Project managers must effectively communicate with stakeholders, including team members, sponsors, and other stakeholders to ensure that everyone is aware of project goals and objectives, and that everyone is working towards the same end. Another key aspect of project integration management is the use of project management software and tools to support the various processes. For example, project management software can be used to create and manage the project schedule, track progress and performance, manage project documents and communication, and manage risks and issues. Project integration management also includes the finalization of all project activities, the closure of project or phase, and the transition to the next phase if applicable. This includes the completion of all project deliverables, closing contracts, and releasing resources. The final product, service, or result of the project is handed over to the stakeholders. Effective project integration management is essential for the success of a project. By ensuring that all project elements are integrated and aligned, project managers can minimize the risk of delays, budget overruns, and other issues that can negatively impact the project. Additionally, by effectively communicating with stakeholders, project managers can ensure that the project is completed to their satisfaction. See you in the next lecture.